Look at this. It is a red devilfish.
Uh-oh.
Its fleece was white as snow. And everywhere that Mary went, Mary went, Mary went. And
Look at this. It is a snow white fish. Look at this. It is a channel fish.
Followed her to school one day, which was against the rules. It made the children laugh and play, laugh and play, laugh and play.
Look at this. It is a comb fish.
Yeah!
See a lamb at school. And so the teacher
Look at
turned
this.
it out.
It is a koi fish.
Yes!
And so the teacher turned it up, but still it lingered near and waited patiently about, patiently about.
Look at this. It is a lobster.
Patiently about till Mary did appear. Why does the lamb
Look at this.
Mary so?
It is a broomfish.
Hi!
Mary so, why does the lamb love Mary so? The eager children cried. Why Mary loves the lamb, you know. Lamb,
Look at
you
this.
know.
It is a duck.
Why Mary
Goodbye!
loves the lamb, you know. The teacher did reply.
Look at this. It is a guinea pig.
Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece
Look at
was
this.
white as
It is a
snow.
chicken.
Mary had a little
Uh-oh.
lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Mary had a little lamb, its fleece was white as snow.